Okay, so now we're going to do something interesting. We're going to take a basic walk or a basic march, a basic traveling step, and we're going to start adding different isolations of the rib cage. This is definitely learning how to separate the body. So let's get started with this. First of all, arms in second position. Give me a march, right and left. A basic walk, a basic march in place. Good. 1 and 2. Now we're going to add a chest slide. Slide right, slide left. March right, march left. Slide and slide. Good. Let's travel forward with it. It's slide, 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 travel back. It's right, left. Good. So really learning to isolate. Again, forward. 1, 2. Good. Use those arms. Back. Arms for balance and poise. Good. Add a little shoulder shimmy. Right, left, right, travel back. Now I want you to do the shoulder shimmy without your hips moving. Again, last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Walk it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep the march. Give me right and left. Good. Right. Now we're going to add a rib cage. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Step, down, step. Arms in second. Good. Let's travel forward with it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and back. Good. Up, down, up, down. Let's try it again. Now, if the arms are challenging for you, just bring them down and back. Good. Up, down, up, down. Let's try it again. Add the arms. Shoulder shimmy. Up, down, good. And back, lift, lower, lift, drop. One more time, forward, give me up, down, good. Last time, and back. Here's 5, and 6, and 7, and release. Nice. So regardless if you're doing the chest slide or the rib cage lift and drop, the shoulder shimmy and the arms should be the last thing we add. If you're having trouble, start with your march and keep your arms low. Add them as you feel comfortable, okay? Let's add the last isolation of the chest, which will be the circle. So starting in third position, arms in second, let's go ahead and take a step. Step and circle. Try it again. Step and circle. Step and circle. Step and freeze. Now we're going to go back, same direction. Step, circle, step, circle, step, circle. Good. Try it without the arms. Step, circle. So the circles are going right each time. Step and circle. Last time. Take it back. Good. Step and circle. Step and circle. Step and circle. Last time. And release. Now we're going to combine these two, performing them at the same time. Arms and give me step and circle. Step and circle. Step and circle. Last time, let's take it back, same direction. Right and circle. Step and circle. Step and circle. Good. Let's try it a little faster. And 1, 2, 3. Take it back, take it back. 1, 2, good. Let's try it with the arms. And 1, 2, 3. Let's go back. Good. 5 and 6. Forward. Try it with the shoulder shimmy. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and back, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and break. Good. Left foot, third position. We've got to go the other way. Now we will be performing the chest circles left. 5, 6, let's break it down. Step, left circle. Step, left circle. Step, left circle. Step, take it back. Step, left circle. Step, circle. Step, circle. Good. Again. Now combining the two, slow. Again. Step and circle. Step and circle. Step and circle. Now we go back. left, circle, step, and circle, step, and circle. Last time. Let's speed it up. Here we go. Step, circle, step, circle, step, circle, and back. Good. It's circle and step. Good. Let's go forward. Add the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and back, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's add the shoulder shimmy. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and back, and back. Release it. Let it go, let it go. And release. Take a deep breath up. Excellent, very good. So that completes our traveling step with the different isolations of the rib cage. Adding that shoulder shimmy would be the last step, as well as the arms. Remember, keep the arms down in the beginning if you're still getting comfortable with doing both movements at the same time. When you add that shoulder shimmy, your hips should not move with it. So practice that, okay? Very nice, girls.